This is a used 2004 Pontiac Aztek. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.4-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Hennessy Ford Atlanta is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. Hennessy 5675 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard, Atlanta, Georgia 30341.